Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. While you are here, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Now recently, while I was scrolling through some of my comments, I saw this comment. She said, I already have the style going on with a touch of Marrakesh influence. This is from XXX00. And I started thinking, Marrakesh, I don't have a video on that. But now we do. Let's dive into Marrakesh home decor. Now I was pretty shocked and surprised when XXX00 commented this because this was a style of home decor I had never really heard of, and I'm someone that prides themselves on knowing a lot about home decor. Instantly, as soon as I commented back to this person, I ran to Google to say, hey, what is Marrakesh? What does this mean? What are some styles and examples? And I found just a plethora of gorgeous images for you, which is why we're making this video. And also, don't forget, if you guys have a video topic or a home decor style that you haven't seen this channel do, or you just like a little more information on it, definitely comment it down below. Like I said, I do read all the comments and I will be sure to make a video for you as well. Now, if you are anything like me and had never heard of the Marrakesh home decor style, let me give you just a little bit of information about it. So, first of all, Marrakesh is the 4th largest city in the Kingdom of Morocco. It's a major economic center and home to various mosques and palaces and gardens. And if you just Google pictures of this beautiful city, you will see the influences from the pictures that I'm showing you right now. So when I actually did the research, this is going to be very similar, if not the same, as Moroccan home decor, which I believe I have a video for. If I do, I'll link it down below. Moroccan home decor is an excellent way to bring in both form, function, and flair to your home. The North African country is widely known for its bold patterns and handcrafted accents, but there is so much more to Moroccan decor than just colors and cozy aesthetics. Now, the hot climate of Morocco means that lots of time is spent living indoors in cool comfort. Sometimes it's just way too hot to hang outside. Interiors often mix elements of nature, vibrant colors, highly adorned furniture and accessories, potted plants, and gentle lighting to achieve the perfect indoor environment. So one thing to think about when deciding to transfer your home into a Marrakesh or a Moroccan theme. So one thing to consider if you want to bring this style home is a color palette. Shades of blue, green, and turquoise are reminiscent of the surrounding oceans. Shimmering gold and silver evoke images of the desert, and rich reds and oranges just really make you think of images of beautiful, intense sunsets. So to imagine a Marrakesh-inspired room, think about a space with walls painted a really deep orange or a terracotta. You could have furnishings upholstered in a red fabric with a really detailed, intricate pattern, and maybe a couple of throw pillows in contrasting colors, like even some of those colors we spoke about, those blues, greens, golds, and pinks. Now, if you prefer a neutral palette, don't worry, this style has something for you too. You can embrace some really soothing earth tones that reflect the desert's hues, right? You're going to bring that outside in. Now, neutral Marrakesh decor includes bright white walls and furnishings that combine colors like sand, beige, cream, taupe. It's a really neutral vibe, a neutral take of the style. You can also include some heavily textured fabrics for seating upholstery, as well as some woven fabrics over toss pillows. Now let's talk a bit about luxurious furnishings and fabrics. The character of Moroccan style furniture includes a really rough hewn look. It's uneven and intricate carvings and mother of pearl or a lot of mosaic tile inlays. Next, let's talk about some alluring accessories. Now, lighting, mirrors, accent rugs, and plants, they are all important elements of Moroccan decor. Now, we know that the structure itself can look Moroccan, especially with some of the detailed and carved like archways that they have. But even if you don't do that, even if you want to bring this style into your apartment, you would do this using the accessories and it will give you that effect. You can light the room with lamps and pendants of geometric shapes made of colored or stained glass, cut metal, and carved wood. You can even hang decorative mirrors framed with iron, deeply carved wood, onion dome-shaped frames, mosaic tile, metal, or even jewel embellishments. Also, scatter tropical plants, including banana trees, placed in large, colorful pots or baskets. Alright friends, so as we near the end of this video, this room is gorgeous, isn't it? I just happened to glance up. This is beautiful. I want to know what your favorite Marrakesh home decor styled room was out of this video. Or I know I give you guys a ton of images, so I always say if that doesn't work, let me know, would you have a Marrakesh styled room in your home, or even a room with just some Marrakesh influences? I'm so curious. Comment down below and let me know. Alrighty guys, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite room from the images previously. Let me know if you want to know mine. I had to. For my outside, it's this beautiful like patio or courtyard. I mean, the tile, the greenery, the colors, this room was perfect. Now, as far as something inside, it had to be this room. I love the gallery wall. I love the blues, the golds. Once again, just a touch of that greenery. I really thought this room was super special as well. As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.